And today on Outdoors with ComputerChick, many of you know I like to do outdoors. I like to get outdoors. I like to take nature hikes. And we've been at this place before, but we come back, because it's like springtime, summertime. And I just like to, just get out, dip your feet in the water, and just getting out away from YouTube and relaxing. And take it, as you can see, there's we got like a little trail right here by the river. Look at that. We got the butterflies, the birds. There's more to life than spending time on YouTube or Twitch or whatever, any other platform. You have to get outside and embrace the now. Live for the now. Get your vitamin D. And get outdoors. Look at this. And just sit by and listen to the water and just embrace. Live for the now. And not for tomorrow.